Oh, they're pushing it this time, not calling it. Told them we don't want it on that track either.
Still wanted to have with them to last year. And I'm sure that, you know, I don't know if you remember Bryce's shoulder.
Oh, yeah.
When he did it, he was bleeding.
Big time. Who are the kids over in the
I'm
field?
assuming it's junior high.
Really?
Huh. Is what I'm assuming. It almost, well, I'm used to look at juniors and seniors now. I don't know. So I don't know if it's 7th and 8th grade.
I don't know.
It would be 5th and 6th grade. It's done already. Yeah, it has to be 7th or 8th grade.
I think so. So did Dale have a nice birthday?
She did.
Did you get her something nice, did you?
Well, if I did, you need to talk to the man to the left of you.
Well, he wasn't there. So.
Well, yeah, I came out of his establishment.
Is she over there drumming?
Snare.
Where are they at?
Looks like they're right in
Right up
outside
in the mountain. Yeah, right behind the tree. That's why I couldn't see them earlier.
Yeah, there's a band booster meeting at 7 too.
Oh, is there?
I looked it up. You know how you were a booster member last year. Yeah. Do you know how many booster members there were last year? 40. For the entire school. It's terrible. Terrible.
I ran into Tercel at Kroger the other day.
Or did
He
you?
was stocking up. He'd run out of potatoes and a whole bunch of other stuff. You and Dale going up to the concert Sunday night? He's going to be open for the concert, he told me.
I don't know anything about it.
I just wondered if you guys talked about it. I don't think he's normally open on Sunday nights.
What concert is it?
There's some concert there at the river. Can't remember who it was.
They've been there. Kehoe Park.
He just did the tire flip, didn't he?
Nate? Yeah, he did.
You doing two things in a row?
Not in a row. No, normal. Well, see, it depends. Copeland told me he was letting the seniors in charge see how good of decisions they could make. Pearson picked Devin Shannon and Jay Brickley to run the 4x400 relay. So he didn't want to run it. So he picked the two slowest guys out there, probably.
Yeah, good decision making.
Yeah. That's what, when we were walking over there, he walked up to me. That's when he told me, he goes, watch who's running. Like, oh my God.
How many seniors are on this thing?
9, I think, isn't there?
Is there that many?
Well, there had to be at least 8 because there was 8 captains here tonight, and Danny's not here.
Okay.
So there must be 9.
I don't think anybody on the line is a senior.
No. Well, isn't Wilson a senior? Is he on the line? No, he's not. I'll have to ask. No, there's not any seniors unless on the defensive line it's Brickley and Baumgartner. But who's on the right side?
I don't know. Danny's never played line, so I don't pay too much attention
you don't pay
to the line.
I know on offense it's all juniors.
Right.
They're all juniors.
And on offense, you got Darren Gillum, one red receiver, Michael Pearson,
Malcolm, Tanner Fear.
Josh Strugler. Those are the one senior. Danny will play backup.
Yeah.
And we got Danny.
Because I can't think who picked Bryce. I can't think of who, but it's only a second year player. I can't think of who it is right now. I'm drawing a complete blank.
Yeah, I only got up to 6.
There's a couple of them that didn't play much.
Danny was one of those.
Danny was one of those?
He didn't play a whole lot. Well, hey, take that back. After Javon broke his leg, he started.
Yeah, he played quite a bit after Javon broke his leg. So I was too far away when they were picking to see. I need my program in front of me.
But I didn't think we had 9. I thought we had 6.
They had 8 teams, and they had seniors
for everybody. Because I thought like Austin Bauer didn't play hardly at all,
and he didn't go out.
I thought the seniors.
Zach Wilson's a senior.
I don't recognize that name.
He didn't play a whole lot, but I think he's a senior.
Okay.
And there's another one that didn't play. Is it Ferguson?
He's not a senior.
He's not a senior. Talked to Noah Antrim the other night. He thinks the doctor might release him next week.
Oh, cool.
So, said everything's going pretty good.
Yeah.
So, hopefully that's the case.
What does he like better? Offense or defense?
He likes defense.
Likes defense?
Yeah. Even though he did pretty well on offense last year, he caught some pretty clutch passes, but he prefers defense. Which we need him in that corner back there.
Yeah.
Bad. Nothing against Trey.
No.
I mean, he's just not quite ready yet.
I mean, Trey's only a sophomore.
Yeah. That would suck.
Couldn't even get it going anymore.
I don't think I could either.